5 foods that you gotta try when you come to Barbados on vacation. I am Marissa from St. Vincent and the Grenadines here on the beautiful island of Barbados. Welcome to paradise. 5 food that you must try. Number 1, puddin and sauce. And you could get puddin and sauce every Saturday in Barbados. Definitely, that's finger licking according to where you buy it from. But definitely check the puddin and sauce. Yeah. Number 2, coucou and flying fish. That's the national dish of Barbados. Give it a try. Yep, you gotta. Number 3, the fish meal at Oyster, and you get different option. Gotta. Number 4, you gotta stop at chefette. And if you get children, there is a playground there, and there are many options of food at chefette as well. Number 5, fish cake, and this is a Barbados appetizer. You definitely have to try fish cake. Yeah.